So today's quick adventure is a walk around Monastiraki Square, from day until night.
Adventures come with me, new worlds for all to see, where every trail leads to reward, a world that's ready to be just explored.
Welcome to Monastiraki Square, a vibrant crossroads where ancient history and street life and a bit of chaos all come together. You hear languages from every corner of the globe and probably a busker or two. Now, if you are staying in Athens, choose a hotel within walking distance of the square, as this is the centre to everything. There's a train station, plenty of restaurants and lots to see. From here, you can walk to the Acropolis in about 15 minutes. Just look up and you'll see it watching over the city. Exploring the square, you'll come across an old mosque, an ancient Byzantine church, one of the oldest in Athens, and the Athens metro station, which will take you anywhere you need to go. But it's not just about ancient ruins. Monastiraki is full of life. If you need a break, you can grab a seat at one of the many cafés or restaurants, eat something and enjoy some people watching, and a bit of shade from the Athenian sun. And just let time feel like it's moving in slow motion. And this is Monastiraki Square at night. And when the sun goes down, Monastiraki comes alive in a whole new way. The Acropolis glows in the background, and the square buzzes with music, chatter, and the smell of sizzling souvlaki. Remember, Athens doesn't sleep. And after a long day, there's nothing better than having some dinner and a cold beer at one of the many restaurants. I recommend trying Thanasis. On the weekends, you might even stumble across a live band playing music right in the square. Locals will dance and the tourists will film. There is just so much activity here. After dark in Athens, this is the place to be. Just beyond the square, the streets stay busy well into the night, whether you're heading back to your hotel or wandering aimlessly. Monastiraki always has one or more surprises around the corner. And of course, there's the flea market. I have another video about this. You'll find the link in the description below or at the end of this video. Now, if your feet get tired, the hop-on hop-off bus stops right here, and it's an easy way to see the rest of Athens. And there is plenty to see. So I hope you're liking this video. If you did, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Monastiraki isn't just a square, it's the sound, the pace, and the flavour of central Athens. Spend a little time here and you'll understand the city better than any guidebook could tell you. So take your time, wander the streets, and just let this place soak in. This was Monastiraki Square, and it was just explored.